A very good morning to all my students. Welcome to online classes. Students, this is your maths period. Students, nowadays we are studying chapter number 2, that is operations on large numbers. And today we are going to solve question 7 to question 10 of exercise 2K. Students, take out your maths book and now let's start your maths class. Students, here is question 7. There are 622 pages in our notebook. How many pages are there in 165 such notebooks? Students, here it is saying that in one notebook there are 622 pages. So, how many pages are there in 165 such notebooks? Students, in this question we have to find the number of pages in 165 such notebooks. Students, now come to solution. Number of pages in one notebook is 622. Students, in this question we have to find the number of pages in 165 notebooks. So students, in this question we will do multiplication. So number of pages in 165 notebooks is 622 into 165. Now students, we will multiply these two numbers. Students, first we will multiply 622 by 5. So 5 into 2 is 10. 0 we have written here and 1 will be carried here. 5 into 2 is 10 plus 1 is 11. 1 we have written here and 1 will be carried here. 5 into 6 is 30 plus 1 is 31. Now students, we will write 0 here and then we will multiply 622 by 6. So 6 into 2 is 12. 2 we have written here and 1 will be carried here. 6 into 2 is 12 plus 1 is 13. 3 we have written here and 1 will be carried here. 6 into 6 is 36 plus 1 is 37. Now students, we will write 2 times 0 here, that is 0, 0. And then we will multiply 622 by 1. So 1 into 2 is 2. 1 into 2 is 2. 1 into 6 is 6. Now students, we will add these three numbers. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 2 plus 0 is 3. 1 plus 3 is 4 and 4 plus 2 is 6. 3 plus 7 is 10 and 10 plus 2 is 12. 2 we have written here and 1 will be carried here. 3 plus 1 is 4 and 4 plus 6 is 10. So students, number of pages in 165 notebooks is 1,02,630. Hence, there are 1,02,630 pages in 165 such notebooks. Students, this is your answer. Students, Now come to question 9. How many years are there in 4,56,250 days? Assume that 1 year is equal to 365 days. Students, here it is saying that if 1 year is equal to 365 days, then how many years are there in 4,56,250 days? Students, in this question, we have to find the number of years in 4,56,250 days. Students, now come to solution. If 365 days is equal to 1 year, then 4,56,250 days is equal to how many years? Students, in this question, we have to find the number of years in 4,56,250 days. So students, in this question, we will do division. So 4,56,250 days is equal to 4,56,250 divided by 365 years. Students, now we will divide 4,56,250 by 365. Students, here we are dividing the number by 3 digit, that is 365. So here also we will consider 3 digit, that is 456. So now number become 456. Students, 365 into 1 is 365. And this 365 is just smaller than 456. So we will consider 365 into 1 is 365. We will write 1 here and we will write 365 here. Now we will subtract these two numbers. 456 minus 365 will give 91. Students, 91 is smaller than 365. So we will carry down next digit, that is 2 here. Now number become 912. Students, 365 into 2 is 730. And this 730 is just smaller than 912. So we will consider 365 into 2 is 730. Students, we will write 2 here and we will write 730 here. Now we will subtract these two numbers. 912 minus 730 will give 182. Students, 182 is smaller than 365. So we will carry down next digit, that is 5 here. Now number become 1825. Students, 365 into 5 is 1825. And this 1825 is equal to this 1825. So we will consider 365 into 5 is 1825. Students, we will write 5 here and we will write 1825 here. Now we will subtract these two numbers. 1825 minus 1825 will give 0. Students, here 0 is written. So we will write 0 here. So students, 4,56,250 days is equal to 1250 years. Hence, there are 1250 years in 4,56,250 days. Students, this is your answer. Students, now come to question 10. The product of two numbers is 85,284. If one of the numbers is 207, find the other. Students, here it is saying that if we multiply two numbers, we will get product 85,284. And if one number is 207, then we have to find the other number. Students, now come to solution. The product of two numbers is 207. Means if we multiply two numbers, we will get product 207. If one number is 85,284, then we have to find the other number. Students, in this question we will do division. Then the other number is 85,284 divided by 207. Students, now we will divide 85,284 by 207. Students, here we are dividing the number by 3 digit, that is 207. So here also we will consider 3 digit, that is 852. Now number become 852. Students, 207 into 4 is 828, and this 828 is just smaller than 852. So students, we will consider 207 into 4 is 828. Students, we will write 4 here and we will write 828 here. Now we will subtract these two numbers. 852 minus 828 will give 24. Students, 24 is smaller than 207. So we will carry down next digit, that is 8 here. Now number become 248. Students, 207 into 1 is 207, and this 207 is just smaller than 248. So we will consider 207 into 1 is 207. Students, we will write 1 here and we will write 207 here. Now we will subtract these two numbers. 248 minus 207 will give 41. Students, 41 is smaller than 207. So we will carry down next digit, that is 4 here. Now number become 414. Students, 207 into 2 is 414, and this 414 is equal to this 414. So we will consider 207 into 2 is 414. Students, we will write 2 here and we will write 414 here. Now we will subtract these two numbers. 414 minus 414 will give 0. So students, the other number is 412. Hence, the other number is 412. Students, this is your answer. Students, note down your homework. Question 8, this is your homework. This you have to do it on your own. Students, in this question, you have to do multiplication.